Today we're walking you through a quick and easy guide on how to transfer funds between KuCoin accounts. Whether you're looking to move assets between your main account, trading account or futures account, we've got you covered. Start by logging into your KuCoin account through the app or web. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section where all your holdings are displayed. In the Assets section, you'll find a button labeled Transfer. Click on it to start the process. This feature allows you to transfer funds between your different KuCoin accounts. Next, you'll need to specify the accounts between which you want to transfer funds. Select the account you're transferring from and the account you're transferring to. Choose the cryptocurrency or token you wish to transfer from the drop-down list. Now enter the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure to double-check the details to avoid error. Finally, confirm your transfer. Depending on your security settings, you may be prompted to enter a verification code or use two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, your funds should move instantly between accounts. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.